Hi guys, welcome to Living Food Wise. Today we are making a classic favorite French toast, and we are making it gluten-free and serving it with summer berries. So delicious. We're going to be making our toast using a nice kind of rustic white bread that is gluten-free, and you can certainly use any bread to make this dish. Traditionally it's made with brioche, but that's quite a sweet bread and a little bit harder to find with gluten-free. So we've just gone with the standard gluten-free Vienna loaf. We're going to slice that, dip it in our beautiful eggy mixture and fry it up and serve it with coconut yogurt and lashings of summer berries and a little drizzle of maple. And we'll show you how to make that, so please stick around. But before we do that, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit the bell, you won't miss any future videos. And at the end, if you have enjoyed this, we would love for you to share your appreciation by hitting like and giving us a comment. Let's get making. First off, let's cut our bread into nice sizes that we're going to use for our French toast. We are cutting them into about 1 inch thick slices. This will make sure that the French toast has good substance. Let's prepare our eggy mix. We've got a couple of free-range eggs that we're breaking into our bowl. And to that we're going to add some milk. We want to keep it dairy-free, so we are using an almond milk with no added sugar. We're going to put in 1/2 cup of that. And to our egg and milk, we're going to put some flavours. Now this is really important. We've got some vanilla flavouring, and we also have some cinnamon powder. Both are going to give a lovely flavour to our French toast. So go ahead and mix that up until it's really well incorporated. Once our mixture is all nicely mixed and blended, we're going to go and dip our bread into the eggy mix, and it's really important to give that a really good soak. You want the eggy mixture to absorb all the way through the bread rather than just sitting on the surface. You want them quite mushy with it. So take a little bit of time doing this. You can see I've done it for about at least 30 seconds. If you've got time to leave it in for a minute or two, even better. Get all your bread well coated and well soaked. And then let's get cooking. Over a hot non-stick pan, we've got a big knob of butter. Well, it's not butter, it's actually Nuttelex margarine. And a little bit of avocado or just a light oil. When that's melted and super hot and sizzling, we can add our bread. And the aim of the cooking process is to get each side really golden and slightly crispy. The more golden, the better. This whole process of cooking probably only takes about 5 minutes. It really doesn't take much time at all. You know how quickly egg cooks. So keep the heat nice and medium so it doesn't cook too quickly, and you can get that lovely all over flat colour as you can see there. The egg with the Nuttelex will go a little bit frothy, but don't worry, that'll settle once it's been sitting for a minute. Yummy. Let's assemble our beautiful French toast. I'm going to put, this is a very big serving for 2 people of 3 pieces and some each. And we've got some coconut yogurt, just plain unsweetened natural coconut yogurt. We're going to put a nice big dollop on the top. And then decorate it or add more fruit, our beautiful fruits gorgeous berries. We've got some strawberries, some blueberries and some raspberries, but you can go ahead and use whatever's in season. You could even use bananas. Bananas are really good on them. Peaches, yummy. A little sprinkle of cinnamon again, and a yummy small drizzle of syrup. We don't need too much, the toast is already quite sweet naturally, and you've got the sweetness from the berries. And this is our gorgeous French toast, gluten-free with berries and yogurt. Yummo.